it's box number 3, so if you want to see what's in this one, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. There's Chloe. And Bandit's thinking about maybe jumping up on my lap. He's not quite sure. Come on. And if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so this is a whole series. There's going to be a playlist. They're going to drop one a day. So every day a new video will add to the playlist. Each video will have the playlist at the end of it, except for the first one, because that will be the only one in the playlist. Now, I will say that I think that FabFitFun really hit it with the summer collection. Like, they really had a great variety of summer items and some great brands. All right, this is their 50th box, and the inside is so lovely. Let's check out what's in this one. All right, so first we have the Kopari Bright as Day Sheer Mineral Sunscreen with an SPF of 50. Now, this was in my last box. You know I don't need multiple, so you may find this on my Macari closet here. There we go. This does have vitamin C and niacinamide, so it's a great moisturizer with a nice SPF. From First Aid Beauty, we have the Whole Body Deodorant Cream, and this is in Fresh Citrus. That sounds nice. So, you know, you can put it anywhere where you sweat, and it is all sealed up, so I'm not going to open that up. From Basque, we have the SPF 30 lotion. This is a broad spectrum. It's vegan sheer with UVA and UVB protection. And there is how that looks. And, you know, the weather is coming up where we're going to be needing some of this. By Aerie. Now, there were 2 different sunglasses, so this is the other style. I wasn't really a fan of this. It has some nice tortoiseshell on the back. I just didn't, this isn't a style I would necessarily be drawn to, but I don't know, I think I kind of like it. By Swell. So this matches, I believe it was last spring. There was a salad bowl and a water bottle. And so this looks like it's that same color. It was a lightish pink peony, I think they called it. So it's a nice little lunch box, and you know, it is kind of big, but I bring my stuff to work for the entire week, and so this would work well for me. This is movable, so you could move it over there if you want, or in the middle, or however, wherever you want to have that, which is kind of a nice feature. And it looks like they even have a little exclusive offer, so I don't know what that is. And then the last thing in here is, oh, this is a compostable bag. This is by Slow Tide. It is the Turkish towel. And there's how it's going to look. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. It is made, designed in Hawaii and California. It's got eco cotton. It's lightweight, double-sided, drying loop, and ethically manufactured. And it is 38 by 75. And that even like snaps. So that's how it looks, and I just think that's so, I thought that was so pretty. And that is my box number 3. So let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite item in the box? And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you in number 4.